Spring is knocking and your garden needs to gear up. Here's a comprehensive guide to get your garden spring ready. The first step is to clear the clutter. The long, icy winter may have transformed your green garden into a graveyard of dead leaves, fallen twigs, and other debris. Be sure to gently rake away these remnants, being mindful not to harm the sprouting bulbs and tender perennials. Remember, a clean garden is the canvas for your spring masterpiece. Before we dive deeper, hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Once you've cleared the debris, it's time to replenish and test the soil. Winter can strip the soil of its nutritional content, so revitalize it with compost or organic matter. It's like hosting a spring feast for your plants. Add this nutrient-rich compost to your garden generously. The more the merrier. Don't forget to test your soil's pH level and adjust it if necessary for optimal plant growth. Next, prune your plants. Just like a haircut promotes healthier and more vigorous growth, pruning removes dead, damaged, or diseased parts of your plants, encouraging fresh growth. A good prune might seem substantial, but don't worry, plants bounce back stronger and healthier. Divide and conquer your perennials is your next step. By dividing your perennials, you're essentially making more plants. It's an effective way to fill your garden with lush, healthy plants and control their size, maintain their health, and increase their bloom. Timing is important, so make sure to divide your perennials at the right time. Now, let's talk about mulching. A layer of mulch can suppress weeds and retain moisture, which is excellent for your plants. In addition, consider setting up a rain barrel to collect water for your plants. It's an eco-friendly way to keep your garden hydrated. The final step is planning your planting. Visualize how you want your garden to look, considering the available space, the amount of sunlight each area receives, and the types of plants you wish to grow. Map out a plan and stick to it. Remember, the early bird gets the worm, or in this case, the best blooms. A hearty garden requires not just physical care, but a lot of love and attention. So dust off your gardening tools, put on your gloves, and get ready to tend to your garden. Patience, persistence, and planning are the keys to a beautiful garden. Make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Don't miss out on valuable tips, DIY projects, and the joy of nurturing your own green haven. Subscribe and let's grow together. Spring is the season of renewal and growth. Let your garden reflect the spirit of the season. It's time to get your gloves on and get gardening.